This is the 9-inch Timesaver belt grinder. It is a wet system. You see it does have that paper filter, just manual cranking around. It does have a blower on it. So we got power on it. We're just going to go ahead and turn it on for you. So your grinding belt, you have the blower motor and the belt feeding under the work. That belt is variable speed. For the height under the grinding belt there. That is working. If we open the door here, it's got a safety switch on it, but just to show you the belt going around, we'll open the door and everything should just shut off, but at least we'll show you the belt going. That's all there is to it. It's all working, ready to go.